Hello everyone, I am Binita Chaudhary. Welcome to NDI Defence Institute. Today's topic is cubes and dice shortcut tricks. So for the first rule, we can see that opposite faces always sum up to 7. Let's see an example. Here we can see that it is 1, it is 5, it is 3, it is 6, it is 2 and it is 4. So we can see that the opposite faces, that means this face and this face, they are summing to how much? 7. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Here it is also written that 1 is opposite to 6. Let's see here, 1 and 6 are opposite to each other. And 3 and 4, they are also opposite to each other. Hence, we can see that the 3 is opposite to 4. So, the sum is 7 in all the 3 cases. Let's move to the next part. We can see that the second rule is common face and rotation techniques. It takes about the common faces. Like here we can see that there are how many common faces? There are total 2 common faces. This 6 face and this 1. And the uncommon face is this 3 and this 4. So here it tells that when there are 2 common faces, the uncommon faces in both the dice will be opposite to each other. Let's see the statement. When 2 dice show the same number in the same position, that is both have 3 on the top, the remaining 4 faces on each dice are positioned as opposites to each other. That means the 3 and 4 are opposite to each other. And this rule tells about one common face. Clockwise rotation rule. This one we can use for the one common face. Let's see the 2 and we take it in the clockwise direction. We get 6 and then we get 3. We can also write this in the clockwise fashion. Let's write it like this. 1, then 6, 1, then we get 6, then we get 5. So, here we can conclude that this 6 are the common faces and 2 and 1, these are the opposite faces, and this 3 and 5, these are also the opposite faces. Let's go through the statement given. If only one common number appears but the base number differs, rotate one dice clockwise. The face that moves to the common number's position reveals the opposite relationship. And here the next rule is adjacent face principle. What is that? It is said that the adjacent faces can never be opposite to each other. Let's see here, the adjacent face for the 6 is 5 and 1. And for the 5 it is 6 and 2 and also the 1. And for the 3, what is that? 2 and 4. So, we can see that the 6 and the 2 are opposite to each other. And also, the 5 and the 3 are opposite to each other. And hence, 1 and 4 are also opposite to each other. So, the option 4 can be the correct option. And it is the correct option also. So, let's remember this statement. Faces that appear adjacent, touching in any view, can never be opposite to each other. Use this to eliminate the wrong answer options quickly. That's all. Like, share and subscribe for more such shortcut tricks and tricks for the reasoning questions. Thank you.